Hey guys, welcome back to Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back for a brand new benchmark. Today we're testing out Atelier Shallie, Alchemists of the Dusk DX for the Nintendo Switch. Today we're testing this out on my Intel Core. We're using the YUZU emulator and we're testing it out on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. Running with 16GB DDR3 RAM in dual channel memory mode. And you're really wondering why am I testing a game that's on PC on YUZU again? Well, for this specifically, I just wanted to post some stuff because I'm going over the integrated graphics in a minute, which is probably going to take me a while to get around to finishing. So I thought, hey, I'd have something to upload in the meanwhile. But once again, the whole point of my videos is to show you the progress of the emulator. I want you guys to see how the games perform. We are running on the default settings basically, as always, just to make sure that they run for you guys. And yeah, Atelier Shallie is playable on the YUZU emulator. What more can you want?
What should I synthesize? What materials should I use? What materials should I use?
I also wasn't paying attention, so I have no idea what's going on. I really wish I was paying attention, but I wasn't. So now I don't know what's going on once again. Nice! There's not much to talk about here. Obviously the game is going to run completely fine. I didn't think it, you know, Atelier games had issues with YUZU for a while. They don't anymore. The only crazy thing about it is the RAM usage is absurd. They use so much RAM for these games on YUZU. It's like, don't, it's on PC, just play it there. But no, it's a benchmark. I benchmark stuff. That's literally my channel. So here we are, but there's not much for me to talk about. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Enjoy the rest of the gameplay. But I just talked to Theo a second ago. You didn't say Jack.
What should I synthesize? What materials should I use? What should I synthesize? What materials should I use? It's time to finish making this. I did it!
I am noticing some texture issues, if anything, but other than that, game runs fine. Yeah, there's some text issues every once in a while. I don't know if that's because I'm fast forwarding, but it's running nonetheless.
Wait, miss.
There we go. Realistically, I didn't want to bother I didn't want to play that area specifically, the ship. I wanted to get to the area because obviously I wanted to play the main game where we just run around and stuff. So I just wanted to skip through most of it, but I thought I'd start somewhere early on because, like I said, it's going to run at 30 FPS. There's not much issues with it.
There!
But once again, why wouldn't you just play this on PC? This crap is very, very low end. Which is nice. But hey, once again, you can do it in YUZU. Listen, I've been playing Atelier games for a while, okay? I know how to fight. I played this game specifically, benchmarked this game specifically. I benchmarked all of them, to be fair. Anyway, like I said, I'll see you guys next time. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more content.
What's wrong?
I do notice that there are issues here, though. I keep moving away, but I do notice that we are getting some issues.
We won!
So it's not fully, you know, it's not everything is fully in there. There are issues.
Is it over?
Good work, Shallie.
Not bad. Who are you?
A hunter.
Good morning.
Oh, hello, Shallie.
Who's that with the boss? I hope I...
No, it's fine.
But there's someone here.
He's an official from Central sent here to check out some nearby ruins. Try to be nice, huh?
From Central.
I'm Sol Grumman.
I'm Shallie, investigating ruins. That means, I'm actually an alchemist, so if you need anything, just let me know.
I see. Well, thank you.
He doesn't seem interested at all. Maybe alchemists aren't as rare back in Central. But Mom was right. I still need to make an appeal.
I'm gonna ask you to do the usual work today, Shallie. Can you do that for me?